Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something exciting to talk about in the world of WordPress backups and migrations. We'll be diving deep into the backup migration plugin that claims to make your WordPress website backups and migrations a breeze. So if you have ever struggled with backups and migrations, this video is for you. Let's get started. So for this video, we're going to try out the plugin on TasteWP, which allows you to sign up to a free demo site. It's free and you don't even need to register to WordPress. Okay, this is our temporary website. Now we're going to work on our backup and migration plugin. Okay, so I have got two servers right here. On the first server, I created an online shop and I want to backup and migrate the data feed to the another server, which is empty, definitely empty. Let's show it. Okay, it is empty. Now for that, we need to go to the dashboard of my website and go to the backup and migration plugin. Okay, this is the plugin. Here you can see that we have 3 tabs, and on the Create Backups tab, through it we can create the backup. So there are 2 ways of creating backups. First way is manually and the second way is automatically. Firstly, we will create it with manually. That's why we need to click on Create Backup now. It is collecting our data. So our backup is successful. We need to copy this link that it is provided right here. Okay, let's close the window and go to the another server and backup and migration section. So here we need to go to the manage and restore backups, and as we choose the way of super quick migration, we need to click on here because it is super quick migration. We need to pass the link right here and click on restore now. So the process is done. Let's click on OK and close. And to see the results, we need to go to the front end of our website. Let's go to the front end and to see the results. Okay, this is it. So I backup and migrated the data of my first server to the another server. This is it. This is how you can do it. It's super quick. It's super easy. And now let's consider another features that we have here. So besides super quick migration, you can also download your backup files and upload it on the another server. Also, you can do it by log and etc. Also, here you can create staging sites, and here you can create your staging sites on 2 servers. It is on your own server and domain, and the second is on TasteWP external server. This is how you can create it. So here I want to mention that the plugin has 2 versions. It has free and pro version, and yeah, a free version actually has many features, but if you want your backups and migrations make better, it is preferable to upgrade your plan to premium version. And here is what you will get instead of it. You will get unlimited backup size, you will get top support. Also, here we have features that will come soon, for example, external storage, smart exclusion rules, encryption, and so much more. So please don't hesitate to upgrade your friend to a premium version. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.